Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we sift through the clutter and bring you the best of the best. Today, we're diving into the world of steam mops. Yes, that's right, those magical devices that promise to turn your dirty floors into a sparkling wonderland without the use of harsh chemicals. On my left, we have the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop, a versatile option for pet messes. And on my right, the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop, claiming to be a smart cleaning companion. So which one will reign supreme in our epic steam mop showdown? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell comes in at $144, while the Shark is just $129. Reviewers appreciate that the Bissell supports pet welfare, making it a feel-good purchase. Meanwhile, the Shark is noted for being budget-friendly without compromising on cleaning quality. So if you want to spend more money on something that helps save pets, go for the Bissell. But if you're looking to save a few bucks and still want to tackle those pesky pet messes, the Shark's your guy. Next, let's dive into the features. The Bissell is a 2-in-1 steam mop that lets you tackle messes on the floor and above with 13 versatile tools for various cleaning needs. Reviewers rave about its effectiveness on kitchen linoleum and tile, highlighting how well it cleans grout without chemicals. On the other hand, the Shark boasts a genius double-sided dirt grip pad and touch-free technology, allowing for easy cleaning without direct contact with dirty pads. Users appreciate its adjustable steam levels and efficiency in breaking up stubborn stains. Now, let's talk power. The Bissell is flexing with 1,500 watts of steaming power, eliminating 99.9% of germs, making it a powerhouse for deep cleaning. Users are impressed with how quickly it dries floors and eliminates grime. The Shark, while packing less power at 1,200 watts, still delivers strong performance, efficiently tackling dirt and stains, making it a solid choice for many households according to reviews. Lastly, let's talk usability. The Bissell has a 25-foot power cord, allowing for extended reach without the need to switch outlets, which many users love. Meanwhile, the Shark features a 220 milliliters water tank, which is compact but may require more frequent refills. Reviewers find it easy to use with its swivel mechanism, although some noted the need for a locking feature to keep it upright. Overall, both products receive praise for their usability, with the Bissell being favored for its reach. Overall, both the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop and Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop receive positive reviews, but they cater to different needs. The Bissell is favored for its versatility and power, especially by pet owners, while the Shark is appreciated for its budget-friendly price and smart features. So there you have it, folks. The Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is perfect for pet owners who want versatility and power. And if you're looking for something budget-friendly with smart features, the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop has got your back. Which one are you going to pick? The pet-saving powerhouse or the genius cleaning wizard? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep it clean and buy smart.